How to delete all watched later videos on YouTube at once. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to delete all watched later videos on YouTube at once. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch YouTube application and make sure that you sign in. Navigate to profile icon at bottom right. Here you can easily find out the playlist. Select view all and navigate to watch later playlist. Tap to open it. These are all the watch later videos of YouTube that you have selected. So in order to delete it, you can tap three dots at top right corner. On this menu, there is just two options but no delete option. So you can easily individually delete all these videos. Select the three dots of particular watch later videos and tap on remove from watch later. Or you can easily swipe to the left side and then tap the trash icon. So currently this is the ultimate way to manually delete all the watch later videos from your watch later playlist. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.